All right, so today was day number 4, trading a live account with Trader, and it was a very easy day, one and done type of trade. Unfortunately, I missed the open. The open was very nice and clean to the upside. However, I missed it, and I got to my desk around 10 a.m. So what you are looking at here is another piece of the puzzle that I use to determine when I should arm and disarm the order flow stacked and balanced algo called polarity ATI. So with using tick chart, a 3000 tick chart, it allows me to see where the market is and where it wants to go. So here we had a big push at the open, including the overnight session as well. And the overall context of the market on the daily chart also indicates a big push up. So I drew a channel. So at 10:15 a.m. or so here, I drew the highs and then I took it off the lows, and it's a hidden channel, and we find the bottom here. So this is what I'm looking to arm it. And the reason for that is I know a lot of people are eager to short this right now because it's up a lot and it might trap some people, right? But so I want to wait for a hidden channel low to give me an idea where it wants to go. And like I just feel confident with that setup because I'm not rushing the entry. And this is what I drew. This is what I was looking for around 10:15 a.m. And at 10:50 a.m., this is what we had. So you guys could see it worked out perfectly. This is when I drew it. And then just 20, 30 minutes later, we had a perfect setup. So what I was looking for here, very simple. If you draw the lows here, we have a nice base. So I was looking for that trap. So the trap allows me to do two things. Number one is allows the eager longs or the longs that we're holding for a long time. That's a good spot to stop out, right? That's very common stop, and that is going to create some imbalances in the selling because people have to sell. Same thing with shorts. The shorts are gonna slam the bid because it's breaking the support. So they're gonna slam the bid, cause more imbalances, right? So there's a high chance of a stacked sellers imbalance there. And when I arm polarity ATI with the regression mode, I will get triggered to the long side. So I got triggered a little bit late here. It's not optimal entry, but it worked out really well. So let's dive into the actual recording of the trade and see how it worked out. All right, so this is the low. So it broke the low, so we were armed short. With regression, that means we are gonna get triggered to the long side. Apparently, we had some stacked imbalances there, and we get triggered to the long side with 2 contracts, and it's going to be a pretty straightforward trade. It's going to take a little bit longer. This is sped up as well a little bit, but I did like the spot because I was very patient for it. So I ignored the whole chop and I got triggered, and it was pretty much a straightforward win without much of a headache. At first, it was just like teasing me with, taking the profit or hitting the profit target, and it took a little longer than I wanted it to, but stuck with it and really try not to get in the way of this trade because you know how it's been. When the trade takes a little bit longer than I like, I tend to get in the way of the trade and I end up missing a nice winner. So I was trying to just stay off the keyboard and the mouse and just let it work, and it worked out pretty well. So it was a straightforward trade, but again, using that technical analysis, that price action is really what makes this system or my last 4 days profitable. Okay, it's not the fact that I just arm it and it works out. Maybe on sim we should try it, but I know that is not as simple. Again, my camera just died. I gotta get a cable, USB cable for it. But very straightforward day, up 400 bucks. So we are now at 2,500 on the account after commissions in 4 days, and we are up 9,000, including the combine itself in the last 5 trading days. So very, very happy with that. And I think this puts us at 10-2. So 10 wins and 2 losses on the funded account in the 4 days. So very happy with that. But we should be up a little bit more since I did get in the way of a couple of trades, right? So 10 wins should be 4,000, and then 10 wins should be 4,000, and then 2 losses 800, so that's 3,200, and we are up only 2,500. That is also including commissions. So but we are missing around $500 worth of profit because I did get in the way of a few trades over the course of a few days, and then I also took, only one contract yesterday anyway. But anyway, guys, that's it for the day. It was very simple, not much to it. So brief video here, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting every day of this performance account with Tick Trader, which again, Tick Trader is my favorite type of combine evaluation prop firm because they allow you to pass in one single day. There's no minimum trading days, so it makes it much easier to get trading live much sooner. All right, guys. So yeah, and then also the Discord link is down below. Peace out.